self-defense classes in Louisiana. This is the only place, the only state that I found that the police department actually teaches self-defense classes for women and girls 13 and over. They even have a senior citizen class. And in their classes, they focus on the facts about violence against women, reducing the risk of becoming a victim. Definitely check them out. That really seems so informative. If I was in Louisiana, I would definitely take this class. Again, this is the Gonzales Police Department. Check them out. And I didn't get a number for them, but if you're in Louisiana, I'm sure you could just Google Gonzales Police Department. They have a self-defense class that they teach. That was pretty cool. Ladies, stay safe. If you attend a gym there that teaches self-defense, please email me at portergirls with the number 1 at gmail.com, and I will make sure I mention it on my blog. Take care.